The question has often been posed, why were the Wright brothers able to succeed in an effort at which so many others had failed? Well, many explanations have been mentioned, but three reasons are most often cited, and I tend to agree with them. First, the Wright brothers were a team. Both men worked congenially and cooperatively, read the same books, located and shared information, talked incessantly about the possibility of manned flight, and served as constant sources of inspiration and encouragement to each other. So, to put it quite simply, two geniuses are better than one genius. Second, both the brothers were glider pilots, so unlike some other engineers who experimented with theories of flight, Orville and Wilbur Wright experienced the practical aspects of aerodynamics by building and flying gliders. And this may surprise you, they even flew in kites. Now, each craft they built was slightly superior to the last because they incorporated the knowledge that they had gained from previous failures to adjust the next design. They had realized fairly early on from their experiments that the most serious challenge in manned flight would be stabilizing and maneuvering the aircraft once it was airborne. So, while others concentrated their efforts on the problem of achieving lift for takeoff, the Wright brothers were focusing on developing a three-axis control for guiding their aircraft. By the time that the brothers started to build an airplane, they were already among the world's best glider pilots, and they knew about the problems of riding the air firsthand. In addition, the Wright brothers had designed more effective wings for their airplanes than anyone else had been able to engineer. Using a wind tunnel, they tested more than 200 different wing designs, recording the effects of slight variations in shape on the pressure of air on the wings. The data from these experiments allowed the Wright brothers to construct a superior wing for their aircraft. But, you know, in spite of these advantages, the Wright brothers still might not have succeeded if they hadn't been born at precisely the right time in history. Attempts to achieve manned flight in the early 19th century were doomed because the steam engines that powered the aircrafts were just too heavy in proportion to the power that they produced. But by the end of the 19th century, when the brothers were experimenting with engineering options, a relatively light internal combustion engine had already been invented, and they were able to bring the ratio of weight to power within acceptable limits for flight. The question has often been posed, why were the Wright brothers?
The protozoans, minute aquatic each of which consists of a single cell protoplasm, constitute a classification of a most primitive form of animal life. The very name protozoan indicates a scientific understanding over the name. Proto means first or primitive, and zoa refers to the animal. They are fantastically diverse. But three major groups will be identified on the basis of their motility. The mastigopher have one or more long tail that they use to perform themselves forward. The ciliata, which use the same basic locomotion as the mastigopher, have a larger number of short tails. The sarcodona, which include amoeba, float or roll themselves about on their crusted bodies. In addition to their form of movement, several other features discriminate among the three groups of protozoa. For example, at least two nuclei per cell have been identified in the ciliata. Usually a large nucleus and groups decomposes during reproduction, and a smaller one that contains the genetic code necessary to generate the large nucleus. So all of this seems very straightforward at this point. But now we're going to complicate the picture. Chlorophyll, which is the green substance in plants, is also found in the bodies of some protozoans, enabling them to make at least some of their own food from water and carbon dioxide. Sounds like photosynthesis, doesn't it? But protozoans are animals, right? And plants are the life forms that use photosynthesis.
Okay.
Well, protozoans are not considered plants
because
unlike
pigmented plants
to
which some protozoans has, was almost identical,
they don't
they
live on
don't
simple
live
organic
on simple
compounds.
organic compounds.
Their cells
Their cells demonstrate all the major characteristics of the cells of higher animals, such as eating, breathing, thinking, and reproducing.
Many
Now, many
species
species of protozoans correctly into colonies,
physically
physically
connected
connected to one another,
and responding
uniformly to outside stimuli.
Current research
Current
into this
research into the
phenomenon,
phenomenon,
along with
with investigations carried out
with
with
advanced
advanced microscopes,
may
may
necessitate
necessitate a redefinition of what constitutes protozoan,
even
even calling it
the basic premise that they have only one cell. Nevertheless, with the current data available, almost
40,000 species of protozoans have been identified.
No doubt as
No doubt as technology
methods
improves
of
the
observation,
method of observation, better models of classification within simple single cells
will be
will be proposed.